Hello everyone, let's today discuss divisibility test of various numbers. Let's start with divisibility test by 2. It's the most basic and simple one. If your number has the last digit as 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, it is for sure that the number is going to be divisible by 2. Example 24, 68, 12, 40. You take any number, all these numbers are divisible by 2. Next, we discuss divisibility test by 3. If the sum of the digits of your number is a multiple of 3, then the number is shortly going to be divided by 3. For example, 48. Now if you add on the digits 4 plus 8, it is equal to 12, which is a multiple of 3. Divisibility test by 4. Now if you look at the number 4, the last two digits of your number have to be divisible by 4. Any number you take, the last two numbers have to be divisible by 4, then your number is always going to be divisible by 4. Take for example number 2528. The last two digits are 28, which are clearly divisible by 4. Hence this number is divisible by 4. Now if you actually divide this number 2528 by 4, you get your quotient to be 632. Divisibility test by number 5. Now 5 is a fairly simple one. If your number has the last digit as either 5 or 0, the number is always going to be divisible by 5. Take for example 25, 130. All these numbers are what? Divisible by 5. Divisibility test by 6. Now if you look at the number 6 has two prime factors 2 and 3. Therefore, if any number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is going to be divisible by 6. Take for example number 108. If you divide it by 2, yes, it is divisible by 2. You can divide it by 3, yes, it is divisible by 3 also. Hence, this number is also easily divisible by 6. Now let's take a look at another example. Number 112. Now if you see, this number is clearly divisible by 2. But you can't divide the number by 3. Also, we cannot divide this number by 6. So remember guys, if you have to check whether the number is divisible by 6, always look out the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Divisibility test by 7. Now, it's a tricky one, but a fairly simple one as well. What you have to remember is, multiply the last digit of your number by 2 and then subtract it from the rest of the number. If the answer is 0 or a multiple of 7, then the number is always going to be divisible by 7. Now let's have a look. You take number 154. The last digit is 4. Multiply the digit 4 with 2. Subtract it from rest of the number. What we get is 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. Therefore, this number is divisible by 7. Let's have a look at another example. 168. Last digit is 8. Multiply it by 2. Subtract it from rest of the number. 16 minus 8 into 2 comes out to be 0. Hence, this number is also divisible by 7. Divisibility test by 8. We checked the last two digits in the number 4. Now here in this divisibility test by 8, if the last three digits of the number are divisible by 8, number is divisible by 8. For example, 8128. Last three digits are 128, which are divisible by 8. Hence, the number is also going to be divisible by 8. Next, we move on to number 9. If sum of all the digits of a number is 9 or a multiple of 9, then the number is going to be divisible by 9. For example, take a look at the number 234. You add the numbers 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. It is divisible by 9. Take a bigger number 2880. Add the digits. 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 0 comes out to be 18. Hence, this number is also divisible by 9. Divisibility test by 10. Now, it's probably the easiest one. All you have to check is whether the last digit is 0 or not. If the last digit is 0, the number is divisible by 10. Example 40, 80, 100, whatever you want to take. Divisibility test by 11. Now this is the trickiest one and probably the most difficult one as well. Look at it very carefully. Starting from the digit at ones place, add all the digits at odd and even places separately. Subtract both of them. If the answer is 0 or a multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. Let's have a look. Take for example number 918027. Now, starting from the digit at ones places, 1, 0, 7 are all at odd places. 9, 8, 2 are all at even places. I add the digits at odd places. 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. I also add digits at even places. 9 plus 8 plus 2 is 19. Now 19 minus 8 comes out to be 11, which is a multiple of 11. Hence, this number is divisible by 11. That's all for today. We'll see you soon with the next lesson on HCF and LCM. I hope you understood this chapter. Thank you.